Hi guys, it's Sam from Brights Props, and today I'm going to show you how I code my LED animations. With fire or glowing animations, there's a lot of different animations that you can do to spice up your props. Let's get started. The first thing you need to know is that you have to use Neopixels. Neopixels are just smart LEDs that have a data line that allows you to pass code through them. That's how you get the animation to go. The second thing you need to know is that startup cost is pretty expensive, but once you have it, you can continually use it on different props. I just swap out whatever LEDs and whatever code I need every single time, and then I'm good to go. The third thing you need to know is it's not scary coding. It's literally copy and paste whatever effect you want, and you can just change some of the numbers to get the desired effect. Fourth thing you need to know is that there's two libraries. A library just contains a lot of code already, so you don't actually have to code anything. All we're doing is calling that code and putting in parameters. So like color, duration, and stuff like that. It's very simple, it's very easy just to change that little thing, test it, and see if that's what effect you want to go to. The two LED libraries are Neopixel and Fast LED. Fast LED tends to have more different animations that you can use, and it's a little bit faster than Neopixels. So just go with whatever one you find an animation for. They're basically the same. The fifth thing you need to know, this is only for one single animation. If you want me to cover more coding and to do multiple different animations, please let me know down below. Today I will not be showing you how to connect all the circuit boards. This is just the coding portion. There's tons of tutorials out there right now that you can just go and figure out how to hook it all up. With that, that's probably all you need to know. Let's go over to the website and start coding. This is a website that I use for most of my LED animation-based code. They do an excellent job explaining all the lines of code and explaining how to do it. So if you scroll down below, they show you videos of all the animations that they have, and you can just take these as base and change up some of the parameters to make it your own. So one that I use quite often is the fire effect right here. This is what I used in my first giant sword. So after going through all the effects, I've decided on the meteor rain. I think this will be perfect for my next upcoming build. After you decided, let's verify if it's a fast LED or a Neopixel. This one goes with fast LED, so we'll have to go with the fast LED framework. So if you scroll up to the very top, the framework for fast LED is right here. So copy this entire thing and let's open up a new Arduino sketch and paste the entire thing in. Let's go back to the effect that I decided and let's copy everything in the source code right here. So now where do you put it in the base code? It's this simple code right here. It replace from here to replace from here. And you just copy that new information in. Okay, so now we just have to go through it and change the information. There's only a couple variables, so variables just store a number or information pertaining to it. So if you change the number of LEDs up here, it'll change in multiple places down in the code and you only have to do it once. So for this, I'm gonna have 60 LEDs, and for pin number, my pin is on 4. So that just means where my data line connecting to my Neopixels is. The other thing I do want to do is to change it to yellow. You'll find out in my next video why I decided to do yellow. So for that, this webpage was really good and included a color picker right here. You'll have to play around with the colors to see what one matches because they're not 100% accurate to this. So it usually takes me a couple of tries to get something that I want. Just keep trying and you'll eventually find a nice shade of color in the Neopixels. So in order to change the color here, so you want to find the made loop right here, the meteor rain. So this meteor rain right here is just invoking this piece of code right here. And if you look here, it's just saying byte red, byte green, byte blue. So these three first ones are for the number for the colors. This number for yellow does not look like these. So what you do is you do OX in front of every 2 digits. OX and then OX. So these are the new numbers that you place with this. Just copy this, and then down here. And then now there's 4 other parameters right here. So the 10, it looks like the meteor size. The 64 is the trail decay. Random decay is its true value, and then 30 is the speed delay. So to get more information about this, you just go back to the code over here, and it should explain it a little bit more. So the website explains it really well. Meteor size is the number of LEDs to represent the meteor, not counting the tail of a meteor. How fast the tail is. So if you look at the animation, you can see that this ending trail right here is pretty large. So I'll probably, for the sake of mine, I'll make it smaller. So yeah, you just read what the parameters do, and you just mess around changing the numbers to see exactly what you want. Like I said, just with the color, I'll change these a few times just to figure out exactly what I want for my animation. So I will probably try a trail decay of around 40 to start and see if I want to go up or lower than that. And now it's just experimenting with the numbers and seeing what you want. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial on how to make LED animations. Leave a like and comment below on what you would like to see next. Till next time, bye!